Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your iCloud account for a secure Gmail connection. Enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID before connecting with Gmail. Sign in at Apple.com and confirm your phone number for device verification. Next, create a 16-character app-specific password in your Apple ID security settings. Copy that password for the Gmail setup step that follows. Finally, verify your full iCloud email address, because Gmail requires the complete address as the username for AMAP and SMTP settings. Open Gmail settings and choose Accounts and Import to add another email account. Select Import Mail from My Other Account or add a mail account depending on your interface. For incoming AMAP use, AMAP Mail me.com with port 993 and SSL enabled. For outgoing SMTP use, SMTP Mail me.com with port 587 and startles enabled. Enter your full iCloud email address as the username and paste the 16-character app-specific password when prompted. Save changes and test sending and receiving immediately to confirm connectivity. If you prefer forwarding instead of AMAP, enable forwarding from iCloud.com settings. Forwarding sends new messages directly into your Gmail inbox without separate fetching. In Gmail, create a label and filter to automatically organize incoming iCloud messages by sender or subject. To send as your iCloud address, configure Gmail Send Mail as and verify ownership. If connectivity stops, revoke the app-specific password at Apple.com and create a new one. That step resolves credential errors and restores secure access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.